Hi guys, it's 83 Racing. I just want to show you my new mass-produced Halloween mask. It's from the Rob Zombie remake. Yeah, it's pretty good nick. It's got great detail on the face. Great fit. He's got pretty good hair too. I thought it would have been more crazy. Yeah, I got it from a little company called costumebox.com.au. I found these guys on eBay. Yeah, so it's pretty cool for a mass-produced mask. It's brand new with the tag. Yeah, so is my hair okay? Yeah, if you like this, give it a thumbs up because I sure do. And I will see you guys on my next video.